life, as I told him. It's comfortable, it's easy, breezy. We don't really feel hot in it in our Mumbai climate. I also have to make a special mention for the jewelry I'm wearing, which is by it's from Trupti, and I think it's very, very quirky. It's really cool, and I love her motifs. And when both of them came to me for the show, I was super excited to go because I said it's something like it is sort of like my personal style. It's quirky, it's easy, it's comfortable, along with it has like a hint of something different that you've not seen before. So thank you guys.
To all the members of media and all the ladies and gentlemen. Well, I'd like to congratulate our lovely designer, Sailesh Singhania. I really feel that he deserves a big amount of applause for creating such beautiful sarees. The reason why I said beautiful is because of the fabric which is being used. It's a hand-woven khadi material which is being used with a rare gold zari, as we all can see. And with the times, I think the entire youth and the youth of our country is kind of forgetting our tradition, the actual tradition of the fabrics of our country, which is khadi, Mahatma Gandhi's khadi. So I would say that hats off to him for bringing it right back. And I feel fabulous, I feel beautiful wearing this beautiful sari. So yeah, this is my very first time that I'm wearing something like this. So yeah, I was really happy wearing it, and it's also inspired by nature, which is something which is really which connects with every single person. So congratulations, Sailesh. Thank you so much.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Sailesh. It's his first time at Lakme, so congratulations. I know what you feel like. Okay, so I would like to not just make it a little fashion thing, a little fact. We all know Mahatma Gandhi, Khadi and all of that. Apparently, this came down from Buddha. Fact for all of us. And this sari that I'm wearing, and I think that all of us are wearing today, each sari took about 6 months, and that is a lot of hard work, guys. So if this looks pretty today, the weavers. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. This is my first time at the show, and I'm so proud that Sailesh picked up the handlooms from India. Thank you.
I'm wearing this very beautiful sari by Sailesh Singhania. It takes me back to my traditional roots. I'm an Indian, so I feel very fabulous wearing this sari. It's a hand-woven khadi material has been used to make this such a beautiful sari with the real gold zari. And it is inspired by the nature, our mother nature. And so yeah, I would like to congratulate you.
जैसे आप देख रहे हैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल है एंड इट्स लिटिल सेक्सी ऑल्सो, इट हैज अ स्लिट एंड ऑल इन द आउटफिट. जो फैब्रिक है बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. मैं रियल लाइफ में मैं सिंथेटिक टोटली अवॉइड करती हूँ. आई ट्राई की फिल्म्स में भी अवॉइड करें, बट कभी कभी नहीं होता है. बट इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल. इट इज़ हैंड मेड बाय दीज क्राफ्ट्समैन इन ओडिशा. एंड व्हेन शी टोल्ड मी दैट आई वाज लाइक, दिस इज कीपिंग आवर इंडियननेस वेरी इंटैक्ट. The jewelry I have is very, very cool also. If you see the motifs I have on my ear and the detailing into it, the quirkiness. Real life में मुझे पसंद है quirky jewelry पहनना, कुछ अलग. ये clay से बना हुआ है, one of a kind है. So like
जैसे कि स्टेज पे वॉक भी कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Sorry?
जैसे कि आपने स्टेज पे भी वॉक भी किया है.
हाँ.
शो स्टॉपर. तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था, कैसा था, उसके बारे में?
मैं मॉडल नहीं हूँ और मैंने मॉडलिंग नहीं की है एक्ट्रेस बनने से पहले. सो इट वाज द फर्स्ट when I had walked for the first time as a showstopper, I remembered and I was like, oh, it gets over so fast. Like you just get on stage, you walk and it's over. But I've walked a couple of times now and it's quite fun. Since I've not been a model before, it's a new experience. And if you're the showstopper, कोई डांटता नहीं है आपको. You can walk however you want, wherever, do whatever you want. So
कितना टाइम लगा खुद को रेडी करने में, खुद को तैयार करने में, वॉक करने में?
वॉक करने के लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, बिकॉज यू रीच देन दे से गो 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 एंड देयर इज सो मच लाइक एक्साइटमेंट गोइंग ऑन बैक स्टेज. देयर इज हसलिंग एंड पीपल आर चेंजिंग फास्ट इनटू आउटफिट्स एंड ऑल. सो प्रिपेयर वैसे नहीं करते, सिर्फ वॉक करके आना है विथ लाइक diva-ish expressions. So it's like playing another character. नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ करेंगे ना तो मैं बोल रही मेरे को ज़बरदस्त प्यार हो जाएगा तुम्हारे से और मैं होठों पे चपका दूंगी एक.